Hello again. In support of my previous presentation, I'm now going to show you the IET Regulations, which is what I would call the Bible from which electrical regulations and all electricians work towards and complies with. Now, this is the IE Regulations. It's the 17th edition wiring regulations. Now, please be aware that there are changes on hand to bring out the 18th edition of the IET Regulations. So be aware of that. And some of you may already be familiar with the 18th edition. But as you know, if you work in the electrical industry, there has been quite a number of amendments in regards to the 17th edition, which have now made it possible or requirement to bring out an 18th edition. Now I'm going to leave that there at this purpose in time, because what I want to do is to, in due course, begin to look at those units, and I want to look at Unit 311 first, to show you how it can be structured and how it can be presented in regards to the evidence you need to collect so that your relevant units can be mapped off stage by stage. Thank you.